Hey YouTube, this is Sun Prepper 1. I'm a little under the weather, but I hope you had a great Thanksgiving yesterday. Mine wasn't that good, but I spent the day with my dad in the hospital. He called me, well, he didn't actually, my mother called me. I live about 5 miles away from them and said he had fallen. He was bleeding a lot. So I rushed out of here, rushed over there, got him, and took him to the emergency room where he had fallen going up the stairs. He hit the very top of the stairs and the bull nose of the floor. He was carrying something. He could not break his fall and struck him right about there. Lots and lots of blood. Luckily, really no damage. He was very worried about his teeth, but he felt worried about him because his lip had gotten so huge. He felt like his teeth were pushed back, but they were not. Thank the Lord on that one. So what they did was they put, I think, 5 stitches, I think, on the outside, and then a few stitches on the inside. And we did a CT scan of his head just because he hit so hard, making sure there's no problems inside. And there was none. He was fine, and then I brought him home. Anytime you can have a medical emergency, even Thanksgiving, and being prepared for it is important. My friend JD has introduced these again. He sold them a long time ago. These are dissection kits. You can't call them surgical kits because there's a lot of regulation. These are dissection kits, and these are all stainless steel equipment, and many things are on in here. From needle drivers for stitching, some probes, all kinds of hemostats, scissors, 3 different types of scalpels, and it also comes with a bunch of different scalpel blades. So he's put out a big kit, and then he also has a small kit, and I think he's blowing them out tomorrow. $19.98 on the large kits, $13.98 on the small kit. So if you need that, look into that for Black Friday. Great gifts. These would be invaluable in an SHTF event. There would be great barter purposes with these things. Medical is very important, as I just found out yesterday. When I was overseas with Uncle Sam, having any type of medical supplies was important. You could always find someone that was a doctor or a nurse, but their problem was they did not have even gauze. Gauze was just, you couldn't find it if you're in a third world country, unless an American or some foreign aid country brings it in. You're not going to find the gauze. You're not going to find surgical kits, but you're going to find people that have the training. In a lot of areas of the world, if you want to have a minor surgery or you have something, some work done on you, you got to go out there and get all the supplies that medical personnel needs. You have to go find it. We live in a great country. When we went to the emergency room, they treated him great. In and out, it was awesome. But being prepared in an emergency. So I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. Mine was bad, but it turned out really well. He's got looks like damage to his teeth. He's just in some pain. So if you're doing any shopping, think of this stuff. Think of anything, gauze, any first aid kits, anything that you might need to get you through a medical emergency. Thanks for watching.